In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. We're starting off from our Coinbase Wallet app, and from here we are going to select the crypto that we want to send. So for that, we're going to click on this icon at the top, and then we can just select the crypto that we want to transfer. So if you want to transfer Bitcoin, then going to click on Bitcoin and then click on receive in here. And there's also another way on how to get a wallet address of crypto that you want to transfer. And that is by doing the following. You can also click on this transfer icon in here. And once you do that, you can just select the crypto that you want to transfer by clicking on receive first at the bottom left. And from here, you're just going to click on this copy to clipboard thing next to the address. So in this tutorial, I'm going with Bitcoin address, but if you're going with different assets, then go ahead and click on other assets or use the method I just showed you. Because I'm going to transfer Bitcoin, I'm just going to click on the copy to clipboard thing, and then I will go to my Coinbase app. Once you have opened Coinbase, you're going to the home tab and then you're going to click on transfer at the bottom right. So let's go ahead and click on this, click on send crypto. And in this screen, we're going to paste in the wallet address from Coinbase Wallet. And if you have linked your Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet, then you can also click on this option, and that is also a way to send crypto. But I'm just going to show you how this works if you have not linked them. So we're going to click on this bar in here, and then we're going to paste in our wallet address. Once you have done that, click on this wallet thing in here. And right now, select the crypto that you want to transfer. And in this tutorial, I'm going with Bitcoin, so I'm going to click on this. In here, select the network, and it's really important that you select the same network on Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. So I'm just going with the default one. So let's go ahead and click on this. Right now, I'm going to enter the amount that I want to transfer, and I'm going with €10. And after, I'm going to click on preview. Because I'm in the EU, I need to fill in this as well. So I'm going to fill in self-custody wallet. If you're sending to yourself, go ahead and check this box. Otherwise, fill in the recipient's full name and country of residence. And after, click on continue. And in here, you will see every transaction detail. You can see the network, you can see the send time, and you can go ahead and click on send now at the bottom to make it final. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, we have a confirmation of the transfer. So let's go ahead and click on done at the bottom. And in our transactions history, we can right now see that this is pending. So let's open our Coinbase wallet to see if it's already there. So from my transactions list in Coinbase Wallet, I can see that the Bitcoin has arrived to my account. So when I click on home, I will see that my balance has topped up. So this is basically how you send crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.